and welcome to our YouTube channel. Thank you so dearly for always supporting us. I really do appreciate. If today the first time you are coming across this wonderful family or you are seeing my face for the first time, I still remain AGATHA Progress, bringing it to you back to back. Remember, we react to all videos and all opinion is highly needed. So just sit back and watch this video and I will be right back.
All of them, they happy. All those guys, they know this.
Madam, where they for kidnap you?
Bypass, Benin bypass, so now they kidnap us.
Where you for they come?
From Lagos, so I carry my mama dead body. Then carry herself for no Vusian, and now with the hear say police, they can't go police station. Say don't carry and go village. Now for Benin bypass.
Which day you come up for Lagos?
Yesterday night.
Yesterday night.
Yeah, so 3 or 4.
Yesterday night. Now which date?
That is
yesterday evening.
Yes, it was 28th of March.
28th of March. Which year?
2022. And they kidnapped us. So cut my body. See on my body. Don't blind my eyes. Say slap.
My eye didn't. I know they see where.
Took my phone.
Alright, your trousers here. But they beat you now.
They beat place, but they don't mind side.
Carry their knife.
Hello.
They say they go pieces.
Yes, sir. What will be your name?
My name
hello, sir.
Anaja Smiler.
Which tribe are you? Where you for the call? And where you they go now?
I go Kogi State.
Which day they kidnap you?
Yesterday Monday on 28th.
I didn't want police.
Which year?
2022.
They kidnap you. Nah, those people, how they look like? Nah. If say na Benin, they for hold na Benin people have been na Hausa, be Fulanis.
Why Yoruba they among them?
That one no one here Yoruba.
Na Hausa.
Hausa they be. Carry Fulani, confirm Fulani. All their body they smell. All their body they smell cow. They come here, carry stick. They smell no.
They collect on our phone.
My phone, my wallet, 65,000. They collect them and my wallet. But if I want to go do burial for my mama, they carry 165,000.
Hold that wood. What did they be? What did they take bill up on?
Gone, I see.
Okay, now they kind of gone.
Now that is they take bill up on.
Yes. And as they are na night.
But now gone. I'll be waiting.
Information reaching us right now is that the Efcc is sealing off all of former governor of Anambra State, Willie Obiano's property in Anambra State. And the video you're watching now, this is one of the properties. This is one of the mansions. They've sealed off this one. And the information we are hearing that they've also sealed off other properties. You can see here, they are writing here, under investigation, EFCC keep off. So it's reported that other properties have also been sealed off. His bank account has been frozen. His passport has been collected from him so that he will not be able to run away from Nigeria. So Willie Obiano is under very serious investigation. He regained, he had a bail. He was able to meet bail condition. He was granted bail today, and still today, his property was confiscated. So the EFCC is accusing the former governor of Anambra State, Willie Obiano, of embezzling 47 billion naira. That most of those money were security votes and also local government chairman funds, the allocation that were given to local government chairman, and also he also inflated the money he used in building airports, the Anambra airport, which he nearly renamed to himself. So guys, just watch this video right now, then I'll be back.
This is Obiano, Chukwudiife Obiano Road. EFCC was there yesterday and they sealed one of the property. According to the EFCC's under investigation, you can see it there. You can see EFCC keep on. The building is under investigation. Yeah, this street is named after Obiano's son. Obiano's son. This is another one. Landed properties are any empty plot allegedly owned by Obiano. Okay. Come on. Turn on. What about it? This is one of the buildings, Obiano building, sealed by EFCC. It's located at Ngozeka Housing Estate. You know, EFCC came here yesterday and they sealed the property. You can see the EFCC. Yes, this is the building. You can see the EFCC here. EFCC. Keep up. They say keep up. Yeah. Prince Road. Yeah.
All right, guys. So, like we said, the EFCC is sealing off all of Obiano's property. And Soludo lamented that was day before yesterday when he appeared on Arise television live interview. He complained that the only money he saw in government purse was only 300 million naira. Imagine a whole state having only 300 million naira. I mean, it's so shameful. I don't know why these governors are this wicked. They are so heartless. I don't know why they derive pleasure in looting a state to which they don't even own. This state does not belong to them. It belongs to the people. And those people derive pleasure in looting the state. It is, I don't know how to describe it. I'm short of words. But it's such a wicked thing. And the EFCC, Anambra people should make sure that the EFCC recovers that money for them. Because if it doesn't, I mean, how will Soludo, which I see and a lot of people see to be one of the best governors in the whole Southeast, if not in Nigeria, although he has not even started, he hasn't started, not even up to a week, but his good intention he has made people to already pass a vote of confidence on him. I mean, Soludo, you know, so looking at it very well, I don't know what you guys think about this. Please just drop your own comment below. Let me know what.
Such is life. There is an adage that Mazina the Kanu normally say. He said, protect yourself because these people, it will come to a time they will be everywhere. Everywhere. Now, what is happening? Today, Kaduna. Tomorrow, Abuja. Next tomorrow, Port Harcourt. Upper week, Warri. Next week, Full Delta State. This is what is going on right now. This now happened in Edo State. Everybody must start voicing out because insecurity has been the order of the day. All right, my correalistic people, this is the update that I brought for you. Please like this video, share and subscribe if you haven't. I still remain your one and only AGATHA Progress, bringing it to you direct. Thank you once again and see you when I see you. From me to you, from here, I said bye.